So it's like save our kids, stop them from eating Mentos and Coca-Cola. I'm like, ah, come on, man. No. Yeah, and I'm looking at the email. It's like this is not even in America right now, yo. This is like in Bolivia, you know. And they even have running water out there and all that good stuff. So here's the deal, and that JD, no, I'm gonna stop you. I'm gonna cut you off at the path. I am not going to eat them both. I'm not going to ingest them. Right. Okay. No. You're not supposed to shake it up because then it explodes when you open the canister. You know, so they open the canister when you open the bottle. You know what I'm saying? So what you're supposed to do is take the Mentos. We have a full thing of Mentos mint. All right, a full thing of Mentos mint. Not strawberry, not fruit. This is the good old Mentos to get all up in your mouth. And a regular thing of Coca-Cola. Okay, we're putting it in there. One at yo, it works, really. Oh, it's a geyser. It's a geyser. Oh, I got some on me too. Yo, this thing is really bubbling mad hard, kid. Yo, this thing is dumb high, son. Yo, let me ask you a question. Why? Now I want to know why does it do that? You dare me to eat one and drink it? You dare me? All right, here we go. I'm gonna eat one. Here we go. Wait. Here, I'm eating one. Okay. And then I'm now gonna drink the remaining Coca-Cola. Right? Here we go. See? No. Oh, okay. Kids, don't try this at home. You'll be. I just threw up. Yeah. I hope not. Okay. All right. Case and lesson. Whatever happens in Bolivia stays in Bolivia. Okay. How's that? Yep.